Kobebe nyesiderata paranade tuko kinate kerin auni nudo karamojam nepeka kinya anuda choko ikeche Ibaren atekerenenu kezda imora ritosi imaseniko lo moroto ijie lo kotido nepeka iturukana nguno ludo kinya itunga lukezde baka sebe anyone tegiara tarkesa iboyo tomana boistangin ejatio kisonoi nuda mamsukede nyamat Akipi numatan nepeka irotin kaija icheda.
One, the challenge of water. What is a challenge? We have water, but the water we are using are not the same water human beings are supposed to use. We are sharing the water with the animal. Like for now, for example, you see those better water, those people that are using. That is the better water we are using them to drink.
And we are eating from here apart. When we go to town, you go to town and you buy your food, you carry the motorcycle. There is no even some who has been brought here by the government like a relief for people. Nothing apart. But apart you sell your cow, you go and buy your food, your own self. There is no any food who has been brought here by the government.
In order to go Morto, you must first sell your cow or your goat. Now the transport is too much. They tell you to pay 60,000. Now people from here dying with sickness. No relief, no what. During the season, that's we able to help.
Jana ye na karimojong na bokora iko kitu kwa taheri
ide ngareno kolo moroto mkezde baka sebe ejente kese pona tioksa nom konye dationize tione ngarakini tungalo nare rasulu pole irimino adepa.
Because of migration, our people migrate. They cannot settle here for more than many years. Like the Turkana, they migrate during dry season. And when it reaches wet season, when the rain comes, they go back to their place. And also the G go back to their place. It is only the Madinko who remains.
I've just communicated to them that we want to do mobile early services. We want to choose a day where we shall be bringing our early personnel to giving them subsidies. Of course, these are wanderers. These are people that are moving from place to place. A cow is the only source of their livestock. As far as roads are also concerned, you know that this place is only passable when it is a bit dry, and the roads are also not good. But meaning that that we want, as a district, we plan to maram this road, but which cannot. Our budget at the district is so small. But we want, if central government could take over this road, so that these people get better subsidies. Education, you have seen that these people move together with their families. It is so much challenging. If basic alternative basic education could still be extended to this grazing area, it would serve the interests of the people. Now that with this younger situation, this is an area that is a bit challenging in terms of crop farming. So the whole life is based on a cow. So for us to improve, we want as a district now to extend our basic alternative education subsidies to this pastoral community. It will help them.
Fred Ecokok TV East Moroto.